welcome. We are here at Fairview Terraces at Contis and we will conduct a field study. Let's go! Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
I am Sarah Grace Lababisco from BSHM at La Concepcion. And your name, sir?
Ran. I'm Ran, Restaurant General Manager of this branch.
So, sir, tell us briefly about yourself and what inspired you to become an operation manager.
I am a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Hotel and Restaurant Management, a cum laude awardee. I was absorbed as a regular employee to the 5-star hotel that I had my internship way back when I was student. I pursue my managerial position in fast food chain for 1 month. For 1 year. After fast food chain, I pursue to have experience in casual dining, which is Kenny Rogers. Then currently here at Contis Bake Shop and Restaurant. What really inspired me to achieve this position is the course that I've taken when I was in college. The word management must be intended to the position where I belong now. So I'm really able to practice all the knowledge I gained during my academic years.
How do you measure the success of a project?
Okay, I have the so-called SMART. SMART means specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and time-bound. In every project and task that I had, I consider those aspects for me to measure its success, whether I failed or succeed.
What ways you can use to measure the success of your team?
Okay, as being manager now, one of my advocacy is to mold and guide my team to become leader also. Every time I have employee who get being promoted would measure the success of our team.
How do you handle failure?
Number 1 is to take responsibility for your failures. Take time to process. Sit back, give yourself a break and change it up. Reflect with trusted colleagues and mentors, of course. And create contingency plan para at least kung hindi mag-work yung plan A mo, you have plan B, plan C na pwedeng gawin sa mga susunod.
What qualities should an operation manager possess?
In every company, meron tayong tinatawag na core values. For me, yung qualities na dapat meron si operation manager, number 1 would be the honesty and integrity. So, yun yung pinaka-importante. The clarity and vision, and of course, yung mission. And as a leader, we need to inspire. So, dapat inspiring tayo. Impeccable trust, excellent relationship building, especially we're handling people. So, yun.
How would you delegate tasks and responsibilities?
Number 1, you need to delegate tasks. So, need natin mumili ng tamang right person para dun sa task na ibibigay natin. Number 2, determine what are you going to delegate. Ano ba yung kapasidad or yung capacity or yung skills na kaya ng staff na pagbibigyan mo ng mga task or project. Give an overview of the assignment. Ano yung mga need niyang tapusin, ano yung ina-expect natin na output or outcome. Describe new responsibility in detail, outing of task or project. Express the confidence in the employee's ability to successfully handle the new responsibility. And ask the employee for commitment and offer help. Ano ba yung pwede niyang commit? Ano yung mga need niya na tulong from us as a manager? And listen to the employee's comment. Ano ba yung mga naging komento ng empleyado about dun sa task na binigay mo as manager? Ano yung mga masasuggest niya? to become successful kung ano man yung mga binibigay nating project. And of course, recognize and reward. We need to recognize kung ano yung mga efforts na binibigay ng mga employees or down the lines natin. And of course, yung mga simple rewards like yung simple gifts para at least somehow ma-appreciate nila na yung task na binigay natin sa kanila is naging successful.
Describe the daily to day routine of operation manager.
As operation managers, one of our daily routine must be budget planning. So we have targets in every segment na meron tayo dito sa tindahan. Employee schedule. So kami yung nag-check ng mga employee schedule natin considering nung mga request day offs nila. Number 3 is yung project timeliness. Kung ano yung mga projects na need nating tapusin on that day. And of course, yung mga employee paperworks natin. Yung mga documentations or admin tasks natin. So, yun yung mga daily routine namin as operation manager dito sa branch.
How will you juggle achieving your target and helping your team to reach their goals?
You must strategize yung tinatawag natin na policy. Policy means yung planning, organizing, leading, and controlling. Planning and organizing, sila yung tinatawag natin as strategy formulation. While yung leading and controlling, sila yung mga strategy implementation natin. We must know kung ano-ano yung mga policy natin sa branch para at least yung mga need natin i-achieve na targets, ma-achieve natin in the future.
As an operation manager, what will you do if a member or of your team is performing poorly?
Dito sa branch, meron tayong tinatawag na Kamustahan Project. So, initiative siya ng tindahan, naming team, whereas kaming mga leaders, we do kamustahan session in every employee na meron kami dito sa branch for us to know kung kamusta na sila, ano yun ang progress nila, both personal and career life. And of course, meron tayong mga tinatawag na performance evaluations, quarterly, yearly, and mid-year, for them to know kung ano yung progress ng development nila in terms sa trabaho nila dito sa branch.
How would you grow and motivate our staff?
Here in branch, we have the so-called learning and development plan. So, quarterly, meron tayong ginagawang learning and development plan. Whereas, isa to sa mga makakatulong sa team natin para mag-grow sila sa kung anong position meron sila. And of course, giving rewards and appreciation sa mga natapos nila during their terms or during their work dito sa branch.
So, good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Desinet from La Concepcion College. So, I am the one of the interviewer of this field study. So, what is your name po, ma'am?
My name is Arlene Jamal.
Okay, Arlene. So, the question po is, tell us briefly about yourself and what inspired you to become the staff or a team member?
By the way, I'm Arlene Jabal, cashier here at Contis Ayala Perezes. Na-inspired ako magtrabaho dito kasi dito sa Contis, we have unity and teamwork as a team po. Every time na may struggle po yung individual or nagkakaroon ng problem sa isang areas, nagtutulungan kami. Masarap kasing magtrabaho kapag yung buong team mo or lahat kayo is nagtutulungan and helping each other in life.
Thank you. So, next po is, describe a time when you meet a very challenging deadline. What happened po?
Yung challenging deadline na nangyari sa akin as a cashier, katulad ngayon December, peak season na.
Yes.
Hawak namin kasi is yung Grab delivery and yung mga walk-in. Para sa akin, isang challenges or deadline for me kapag nagsasabay-sabay ng order. Siyempre ikaw, isa kang cashier, ikaw lang mag-isa or dalawa kayo, may pressure kasi nag-expect sa'yo yung guest mo na mabigay agad yung order on time at sa Grab pa, same din. Namimit naman namin siya, ini-inform lang namin yung guest or walk-in na first come, first serve or willing to wait ba sila for 5 minutes or basta properly inform yung guest, ayun. For me naman, ano siya, na-fulfill ko siya or nalagpasan ko yung deadline na yun. As may opinion lang naman. Yun lang.
So next question po is, describe a time you disagree with a senior staff member. So how was a result po?
Everyday kasi may may shift meeting or yung parang ma-endorse lang properly endorse yung mga goals namin or other idea. Hindi naman siya totally na disagree. Yung nagbibigay lang kami kasi open kami dito magbigay ng suggestion or comments regarding doon. Nare-resolve siya kasi yung isang idea na pinopost ng head namin is nadadagdagan pa siya ng other idea from the team member.
Pero di ba, feeling ko maganda talaga yun sa isang company yung parang as a staff member na express natin yung sarili natin, di ba?
Yes, oo.
So next po question is, what are the 3 most important characteristic of people you like to work with?
Yung pinaka magandang taong kasama sa isang company or sa isang gantong operation is yung taong masayahin. Siyempre nakakahawa siya ng good vibes. And second is yung responsible, yung nagpa-follow ng mga instruction, and characteristic, joyful, and may paki dun sa kasama.
Yung magaling po makasama doon.
Yes.
So last question po is, what makes a team function successfully po?
Nagpo-function yung successfully yung isang operation kapag yung mga team member and OIC is may isa silang goal. Yung parang hindi tayo nagkakanya-kanya. Mo yung isa mong subordinate is may sarili siyang decision sa buhay. Ganon. Dapat one goal, one team. Yan lang. Thank you.
Thank you po.
Thank you for time po, sir. Ito po
talaga?
dito token of appreciation lang.
Thank you.
Thank you po. Salamat po sa time.
Thank you.
So